Alright, so we were looking up the plugin for 84215, which if you look at your scan finally finished, you can see this Pro FTP. You can just look up its ID of the vulnerability, and when I go to their website and you look it up, you can see description of this vulnerability. It talks about information disclosure, and then it says a remote attacker can exploit this flaw to read and write arbitrary files on any web accessible path on the host. How do you fix it? You upgrade. It tells you how to solve the problem. Upgrade to Pro FTP 1.3.5a or later. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And then you can be, okay, so here's one big vulnerability, right? Here's another one. Unreal RCD backdoor detection. So that's 46882. If you want to look that one up, you can just go here and type, what was that again? 46882. 46882. And we'll see what that one is. Oh, shoot. Mistyped it. There it is, Unreal IRC. So let's see what this is. It has a backdoor, which means the coder's left something that can get in. So it allows an attacker to execute arbitrary code on the affected host. That's really bad. How can you solve it? Re-download the software. So you're going to reinstall it. Make sure it has this MD5 SHA1. So you would tell a company that if it found any of the vulnerabilities on there. So takes screenshots of those. It tells you which surface and software is exploited. Specifically, you can look at which version, 1.15. There's backdoors, critical. So yeah, it gives you tons of info. So you basically go to that Tenable website, and they're always updating it. And they tell you about solutions and when the plugin was made and stuff like that. So anyway, that should get you almost there. And then you want to go back to the My Scans and export this report. Okay, so you go back to My Scans, and it's a whole little process to export your report. You got to click this, and then upper right, you're going to go to Export. Executive Summary is the best one to do. So we go to, is it here? No. There's Import. Hold on. Let's make sure we get you into the right spot here. Okay, History tab. That's, where's my history? I guess this is the History tab. So My Scans. Boom. I collected that. Should be in here. Okay. The upper right of the screen, do export HTML. I didn't see that on here. Maybe it's, oh, there's an error. No, that's okay. I want to import. Maybe copy to new folder. Or do I have to go here? Oh, there it is. So I have to be in it. Okay, so we click that. There we go. So I have to actually click in the scan, click the History tab, then export to HTML. You want to pick the Executive Summary. Okay, so that's how you do it. And then you're going to eventually get it to your computer, follow all these little check boxes. You're going to name it Raw Nessus, and copy it to Guacamole to your computer.